Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, November 22, 2021 on our channel. Carrier Transicold delivers Vector He 19 units to Dale Brothers UK. Envirotainer launches CryoSure, a revolution in -70°C cryogenic shipping. Daikin screw inverter chiller EWAD-TZ range installed a winery in Spain. So, first news today. Carrier Transicold delivers Vector He 19 units to Dale Brothers UK. Telford-based transportation company, Dale Brothers UK, has taken delivery of 6 new refrigerated trailers, each mounted with the company's first cold chain Federation member Carrier Transicold Vector He 19 mount units, a move designed to help reduce running costs and improve fleet efficiency. A Carrier Transicold customer since 2000, Dale Brothers UK's 6 new 13.6-meter Chiro trailers replace older assets. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Envirotainer launches CryoSure, a revolution in -70°C cryogenic shipping. Envirotainer, the global market leader in secure cold chain solutions for intercontinental shipments of pharmaceuticals, is launching the CryoSure platform today. This -70°C solution, designed with today's and tomorrow's high demands in mind, has unmatched performance, superior duration, and is the most sustainable solution on the market. Whereas most of the temperature-controlled pharmaceutical shipment solutions have historically involved temperature ranges of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, many pharma products and biospecimen samples require below -70°C shipments. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Daikin screw inverter chiller EWAD-TZ range installed a winery in Spain. A Daikin screw inverter chiller from the TZ range has recently been installed and commissioned in an HVAC project involving a winery in one of the most known wine cellars in the region of Ribera del Duero, in Spain. Products installed: EWAD-TZ. Cooling capacity, 420 kilowatts. About the products and the project. For this project, the famous Spanish winery needed a chiller that could fully meet the process cooling needs of the facility. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.